Hey everybody, big welcome back to another one of my famous Amazon reviews, where today we're going to be reviewing a slip-on exhaust for my 2009 Kawasaki Ninja 250. There it is. It's really shiny and pretty. No, I'm joking. That's not it. That's the original exhaust, which to me just was too quiet and doesn't suit the bike that well. So, like with the chrome and shit. So I went ahead and I bought a Amazon exhaust, which I'm going to show you right here. Now, this is kind of an unboxing video, but I already opened it, and then I put it back in just so I could open it for you guys. I just wanted to show you like what the box was. So, iStunt Modify Racing. It's like they took every kind of word that they could come up with that made it sound cool and just put it all as one big title. So this was in there nicely earlier, but it's not now. So let me get this out and then I'm going to show you how it's all boxed up. That's just some more shit. Sorry, let me zoom out the lens. So it does come with a tool, installation tool, and then like the mid pipe or whatever. Let me get my phone set up on the tripod and I'll get back to you. Okay, so I guess first we'll start with the piece de la resistance, which is the actual muffler itself. Don't need that box anymore. It does actually come in a nice bag, which is all right. Although I say nice bag, it's nothing too fancy, but here, let me turn you a bit for a better view. And ba-bam, that is it. So this was, I think, 240 bucks or something like that. I'll put the info in the thing. I like the look of it. I kind of wish it didn't say Racing iStunt Modify, because I don't know. I would have rather not say anything. I don't know if I can get that off or not, but anyhow, it does come with a silencer, which we're gonna try without it, and then I'll determine if I want it or not. But as you can see, it's a lot smaller. I don't know. Hopefully it fits. It's supposed to be for this bike. So let's go ahead, get some tools, and we'll see about getting it in there. Okay, before I actually take this apart, I realized I should probably start it so we can do a sound comparison. I'm only recording this on my Samsung phone, so it is what it is. It's not going to be great. I got the choke off. I probably should have choked it, but yeah, I'll have to give it some choke. That's it. I can't really heat it up because I got to take it apart, and I'm not trying to get burned, so it is what it is. Let's go ahead and get this shit all taken apart. I've never taken this apart before, so I'm only guessing. It's not like I went to a manual, but I've seen this little Allen bolt right here. It looked like this was something to take off. And it looks like this one right here. They look like a reasonable takeoff bolts. I will fast forward you guys through this, and I'll be back when I have this off. Here you go, you cunt. Sorry guys, I get a little worked up. Alright, so now this comes with this clip all wrapped around it. Let's see if we can figure this out. So the original had a gasket, but I'm going to think that this one's not going to fit a gasket. No, it's not. There's no way, it's too tight. Which is okay. I think. Sorry, I gotta fix my bolt here. Accidentally twisted this too far out and little bolt fell off, so fix that. And I'm not quite sure of the orientation yet, so we're not tightening any of that. And uh-oh, Houston, we have a problem, which is that it doesn't clear my peg. What the heck? I don't know. I don't think that's reversible or anything. Oh, it does come with some little brackets, so maybe I'm not ready yet. Let me look at what I got here and see what works. Yeah, it definitely comes with a few things. I don't know if it came with directions. I didn't see any, not that I was going to read them anyway. It does come with these little springs. So get these opened up. I'm sure we're going to find a way to make this work. So, came with these two brackets, but let's see if we can. Here, I'm going to turn the light on for you guys, if I can. Alright, hopefully that helps you guys see a little bit better. So, yeah, I see. So this can be moved around however it's got to go, I guess, to make the brackets fit. So, we've got that. We've got this, which looks mysteriously like a butt plug that's been shortened. Don't ask how I know. I think this. Nope. Oops. Sorry guys, it's a bit of a learning curve here, but I want to be true to the video and figure it out with you guys. Let me figure this out. Okay, so from the best I could figure out right now, I just tighten this clamp up, and then this is going to need a nut and bolt and washer to go there. I don't know what the butt plug was for. It doesn't seem like it's going to work on this for anything, so for now, just for testing purposes, we're going to go ahead and tighten the lower clamp up, and then we're going to try throwing these springs on, see how that goes, and at least we'll be able to hear it, and then I'll have to worry about the rest later. Now I may, for what it's worth, get some matte black high temp paint and paint the pipe, because I don't really like the maybe I gotta switch the orientation of this after, I don't know. Yeah, I think it's supposed to go like that. I'll have to figure something out, but I don't really like that the pipe is silver in here. So we will figure that shit out later, and we're gonna try one of these. See if I'm going to break a knuckle with this little tool they gave me. Let's hope not, but shit happens in life. So it's got some kind of little pull tool here, which is very much like the clamps on a muffler on a snowmobile. So let's go ahead and try giving that a pull so this thing doesn't get in my way. Come on, cunt. Sorry, I've often find that it helps to call things names. And then I've got this tool wedge. There we go. That one's in. And yeah, I might need a little finessing to make this actually sit right. But this was supposed to be for this model of bike, so I don't know, maybe I gotta do a little more research on that, on how to get it to fit better, but nonetheless, we'll figure it out. Hopefully it sounds good. I'm looking for a sporty sound, but it doesn't have to be, you know what I mean, one of these bikes you hear ripping down the highway in the middle of the night. Doesn't have to be like crazy loud, but see, I don't know if those are twisted, if that's gonna work or not, but it looks like whatever. It probably would. It's kind of weird with them bent, but whatever. Okay, good enough. Fuck it, let's fire it up. That's all that really matters. So we got to hear what that sounds like. I think we pull it back off and throw the silencer in if it's not too hot. And just out of curiosity, might as well quickly see what does it sound like with the silencer in. Well, I got you here. Yeah, hopefully. Gotta see about getting these off of here. That's going to be trickier than I thought, though, because the tool is a little bit thick. That's what she said. There we go. Though, if that's what she said, I doubt she's going to be complaining that the tool is too thick. Alright. So, let's go ahead and... where did I put that silencer? Right there. And... because that is pretty loud. But... I don't know, like... maybe the silencer goes the other way. Yeah, maybe it goes down. I don't really like, there's no directions, so I'm trying to look in here. I don't know if it goes in like that. Yeah, I think so. I think it goes like that, but it might rattle around in there. I don't know. Anyway, this is called real world reviews, folks. You know what I mean? Like, if I'm facing a problem, I want you to see what the problem is. I don't need to hide nothing from you. I wish that more people would do honest reviews on shit, just so that you know what you're getting. Alright. So remember, this is all fucked up. We'll deal with that after. That I can figure out. Let's try that. Rattling around in there, so that's not right. Maybe we try flipping it the other way. Come on, fucker. I'm gonna do this before I heat the exhaust up too much, and then I won't be able to do it. So, the tabs on the muffler, I gotta say, are a little bit cheap feeling, but I'm gonna see if that does anything. So I don't know about them. Hopefully they hold up in the long term. Like, this is several times the price of some of the other slip-ons that were available on there. So you kind of would hope that it would be several times as good a quality, but we shall see. Okay, let's see if that made a difference, folks. Still rattling around in there. I don't know what to do beyond that. I've tried flipping it either way, and nothing seems to help, nor does it actually bolt right up. I really won't know until I go for a ride. Which I won't be able to do now really properly for another week or so, because we've got a solid week of rain coming up. Come on. It is nice that they include the tool, but it's not necessarily the easiest thing to work with here, because it catches on it. There we go. So I don't know what to. It's hot now. See, fuck, I told you. Yeah, I don't know. Ow. Yeah, it's really hot. Fuck. Now, mind you, I'm not really revving it that high normally. Regular day, I drive kind of nicely, so maybe it'd be all right, but I don't know. That's the review, guys. I don't know what else to do beyond that. Like, ultimately, I'm gonna have to try it to really know, but you got to hear the sound difference in the garage at least. I'm gonna have to figure out something here, because none of the parts that came in it were gonna make that sit like that. This would rotate more if I loosen it, so maybe I can find a better position for that. But anyway, it is doable. Obviously, you can get this on there. But the silencer kind of sucks, because either way, I can't touch that. It's hot. I just keep fucking burning myself. But that's the video, guys. I'm sorry it's not the greatest review, but if you were looking at buying the Racing iStunt Modify, Verdict's still out. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know if it's going to be worthwhile. It is loud compared to the factory muffler, which, you know, I was wanting a little bit more volume out of it. So all I can really do, I kind of like the idea of putting a silencer in it, so I might have to look at wrapping it in aluminum tape. It's a little hot, so I can't really, I don't know. But maybe if I wrap a little aluminum tape around it first and then stick it in there, maybe that would work. But anyway, now the parts are too hot to fuck with, so it is what it is. At least you guys got to hear it, and I will do a follow-up video with some sound on the road. See you guys later.